Girlfriend, let me ask you, do you know how to layer mascara? When I say layer, I mean like use two different types of mascara. Maybe a lengthening or volumizing and a waterproof, that kind of thing. Do you know how to do it? Well, we're going to get to the bottom of that in today's video. We'll see you on the other side. Hi there, my name is Ingafay, and I am a beauty enthusiast. And in today's video, we're going to talk about how to layer mascara. And I'm sure that you're probably wondering, girl, how do you do this? I've always gotten so many questions about this topic. So we're going to do a little mascara cocktail so you can know exactly how to do this. So the first thing we're going to talk about is how to prep your lashes for the mascara. Then we're going to talk about which mascara to use first, because I know that's really a common question. And last but definitely not least, I'm going to do it for you. I'm going to give you a step-by-step tutorial on exactly how I create my mascara cocktail. Let's do this, shall we? So when it comes to prepping your eyes, you may want to know exactly what you should be doing first. Now, first thing I want to tell you is that I know sometimes you guys get tired and sometimes you sleep with your mascara on. Well, this is not a time that you want to actually use old mascara. We're going to want you to remove all of the mascara from the day before we actually do this. So if you had one of those nights where you just took it out and didn't take your makeup off, girl, it's okay. Let's just make sure that you take it off before you start. So you're going to use an eye makeup remover, and I highly recommend our oil-free eye makeup remover to do this. You just shake it up and put it on a cotton ball, and it will quickly remove your eyes gently without you tugging or pulling on your eyes. Then after you remove your mascara, and your lashes are clean, what I would like you to do is comb through your mascara like I'm doing in this video. You're going to comb through the mascara with the little spoolie on the end of the dual end brush that we have in our line, and just comb through your lashes, making sure you separate them and that you comb from root to tip. Now, after you do that, girlfriend, what you're going to want to do is apply a lash primer. Why, you might ask? Because the lash primer is going to help extend your mascara wear first and foremost. It also is going to help you volumize your lashes and really make your lashes extend to its maximum length if you have wimpy lashes. So make sure that you use the lash primer. And then after you do that, you are actually going to apply the mascara. Now, I am going to actually show you how to do this step by step in the tutorial later in the video. So be on the lookout for that and watch me till the end. But before we go to the next thing to talk about which mascara goes first, I want to remind you to subscribe to the YouTube channel. We upload a video every Tuesday for your viewing pleasure, and we don't want you to miss a beat. So be sure to subscribe. So now let's talk about applying the mascara. Which one do we do first? Well, I get this question often, and my question is to the other person that's asking me, so what is your desired outcome? Are you looking for more volumized lashes? Are you looking for more lengthening when you use your mascara? Or do you want something that really extends your wear? So with all of that in mind, that is really going to be the determining factor of which one you do first. Now, oftentimes when I am doing a mascara cocktail, I normally use a volumizing mascara that I apply first, and then I use a waterproof mascara. And the reason that I do that is because I want my mascara to last all day. And I know if I tear up for some reason during the day, I know my waterproof is going to keep that mascara on my eyes. And they're only going to come off when I come home and actually remove it with the eye makeup remover. Now, if you're looking for more length for your lashes, I would highly recommend that you use the lengthening mascara first, and then use a volumizing mascara to give you that true volume. So you're going to lengthen your lashes first, and then use the volume to really give your lashes, make them fuller. So these are just kind of tricks and tips of the trade that I have found that work for me and the clients that I have helped with this mascara cocktail. So just practice and just try different things out. That's really what I would recommend for you to really determine what kind of look that you want to have. Now, before we go on to the tutorial, I want to ask you, What mascaras have you mixed together? Comment below and let us know, because I'm really curious to know what you've done in the past. So now let's talk about the tutorial that I'm going to go over with you today. Now, we've talked about prepping our eyes. We made sure our lashes were clean. We have actually combed through our lashes. I think before I didn't remind you about curling your lashes. So you want to curl your lashes, especially if you have long lashes, so you can really make sure they don't hit up against your glasses if you wear glasses. So that's definitely a step that you want to do. And of course, you want to apply that lash primer. Now, typically when you're putting on your mascara, this is the last thing that you're going to apply when it comes to your eye area. You would have already put on your eyeshadow, you would have already put on your eyeliner, and the mascara is the last thing. It's kind of like the icing on the cake if you were baking the cake. If your eyes were cake, the mascara would be the icing, okay? So now that we have that, now you're going to apply the mascara. Now, the one mascara that I absolutely love, and I'm sure I've told you this more than once, is Fanorama. And I love the Fanorama because it allows me to really get my wimpy lashes with that little nice tip that it has, as you can see in this video. So make sure that you're doing that when you are separating your lashes, to use that little tip to get those wimpy lashes. So I wanted to let you know that when I did this, I used lash primer on my left eye, and then I did not use lash primer on my right eye. Now, if you look at my left eye, you can tell that the lashes are longer and they look more volumized compared to the right. So I wanted to bring that to your attention so you could see the difference and the power of lash primer. If you're not using it, you definitely want to start. Also, I want to make note that when I do my mascara, I do my mascara one eye at a time, because I want to make sure that when I apply that lash primer and then I come behind it with the Fanorama mascara, and then I come behind it again with the waterproof mascara, that the mascara has not dried on my lashes, because dry lashes are kind of similar to what your hair is like when you use hairspray. They're very stiff and very brittle. And I want to make sure I keep all my lashes. I don't know about you. So if that is where you feel about it as well, make sure that you're combing through your lashes and doing one eye at a time by doing your lash primer, then your first coat of mascara, and then your second coat of mascara, or however many coats you decide you're going to use. You want to apply those coats on lashes that are still tacky and not dry. And then I switch over to the other eye and do the same process again. So this mascara cocktail, like I said, is really depending on what your desired outcome is, girlfriend. So play with it. Try different things. Do one mascara first and then do the other one second, so you can really determine what your unique technique will be for your unique look. Because you guys know all the time that I say, do you boo. So make sure that you truly do you. Now, if you are interested in making sure that you have fresh mascara on an automatic basis, where you don't have to worry about when your 3-month period is coming and when you need to swap out, I would highly recommend my mascara club for you. If you're interested in that, be sure to look at the links down in the description to see which mascara club would be best for you. And as always, thanks for watching, and bye for now.